On today's application example, we're taking a look at the T10W. Base Lab Tools T10W is a 1-inch diameter lens tube spanner wrench. This spanner wrench makes quick work of adjustment and installation of the RR10 retaining rings on 1-inch diameter lens tubes. The hollow construction allows light to pass through during adjustments, making it possible to tune in the location of a RR10 retaining ring more easily. Today we'll work with a T10 1-inch diameter lens tube, 0.3 inches in length. You'll see that our lens tube spanner wrench has corresponding tongues to align with our retaining ring. For this example, we're installing a 1-inch diameter sapphire optical window. Align the corresponding tongue on the wrench with the groove in the retaining ring and secure the window or lens within the lens tube. Don't forget to subscribe for more application videos and find us on the web at baselabtools.com.